Alright, let's take a look at this clip-on towing mirror. It gives you a better angle at your trailer, and you can see much better what's happening behind. It's adjustable and universal fit. You can mount it on various sizes of rear view mirrors, ranging from very small and narrow to pretty tall ones. The installation is super quick and easy. First, adjust the brackets to fit on your particular car. Then simply attach 2 rubber straps in the back and tighten them. It only takes a few seconds and you're ready to go. And the best part is, it doesn't obstruct your original mirror. Same goes for the removal. Detach both straps and you're done. You can use them only when you need to tow, or quickly switch them to another car when necessary. You can quickly adjust it from vertical to horizontal position and vice versa. Here you can see the difference between the original mirror and the extended one. And with the trailer attached, I can only see the front of the trailer in the truck mirror, compared to the extension mirror showing the entire side of the camper and significantly farther behind it. This is definitely going to be helpful when towing on the road or backing into a parking spot. It's holding up pretty well even at the highway speeds, but it does shake a little bit. Also, the excess ends of the rubber straps are constantly flapping around and there's no way to secure them. But overall, I'm pleased with this mirror extender. For its universal fit, easy to install and remove, it provides improved visibility, and it's secure enough not to fall off when you drive on the highway. Alright, if you're interested, you can check out the links for this mirror down in the comments section below.